Welcome to ATHENAZ. This is a presentation video for the DevPost project. First, we will present a conceptual overview of the ultimate goal of the tool currently under development. The platform brings conversations, memories, tasks, calendar, files, meetings, relationships, routines, and notifications into one integrated experience. With a robust security system ensuring data privacy and information security, each user has their own VPS. A request begins as natural language intent. The context router identifies the relevant private information, coordinates the required modules, validates permissions, requests approval when necessary, and only then executes the action. This is a live development build of our integrated intelligence platform. I will begin by signing in. Access to ATHENAZ is protected by two-factor authentication, adding an additional security layer beyond the user's password. Because ATHENAZ can connect to private information and perform real actions, identity verification and controlled access are essential parts of the platform. After authentication, the user enters the ATHENAZ workspace. This is the central environment where conversations, information, actions, and connected services are brought together. With the user's authorization, ATHENAZ can analyze messages from connected communication sources. Instead of treating every message as equally important, it identifies information that may require attention or action. For example, a message can contain a deadline, a request, a meeting proposal, a commitment, or an important follow-up. ATHENAZ can transform relevant information into structured tasks, suggest calendar events, organize contextual information, and alert the user when something requires a decision. When explicitly instructed, ATHENAZ can also prepare or send responses through authorized communication channels. The objective is not to replace user control. The objective is to reduce the effort required to understand what is happening and decide what should be done next. Creating tasks, including Google Calendar appointments, and effectively organizing the user's life without the user needing to execute commands. Now I will demonstrate how ATHENAZ transforms information into operational work. I will attach a PDF document directly to the conversation. Instead of only summarizing the file, I will ask ATHENAZ to identify the actions contained in the document and convert them into structured tasks. The Routines module is designed for recurring or multi-step processes. A routine can combine different operations, such as locating information, comparing files, organizing content, generating reports, validating results, or notifying the user. The long-term architecture is based on reusable operations, rather than creating a separate executor for every possible scenario. The Files module provides an integrated view of documents and private storage connected to ATHENAZ. Files can be located, analyzed, organized, compared, and used as contextual sources for other actions. The platform is being designed so that customer files remain under the control of the customer's private environment. The file system also includes a public folder where you can securely share files directly from your VPS, as well as share them via a web link. You can also change your URL name every 30 days to suit new projects or your company. The files are categorized into public files, accessible via URL, and private files intended for use by ATHENAZ. The latter allow for faster analysis and offer full protection, being accessible only through the VPS. The Memories module allows ATHENAZ to maintain useful long-term context without silently saving everything. When the system identifies information that may be valuable in future interactions, it can present that information as a memory suggestion. The user decides whether the information should be permanently saved, edited, or discarded. This creates continuity while keeping the user in control of what ATHENAZ remembers. The status area provides operational visibility into the platform. It helps identify which services, modules, integrations, and workers are available, degraded, or require attention. This is especially important for an assistant that performs real actions, because the user and administrators need to understand the current operational state of the system. Furthermore, given the large number of functions and tasks, the system maintains a help and FAQ screen that is updated in real time as the system evolves. ATHENAZ also includes a dedicated administration environment. This shows that ATHENAZ is more than a conversational interface. Behind the application, the administration layer manages modules, services, workers, integrations, audits, software versions, and isolated customer environments. Administrators can monitor the platform, investigate operational problems, validate deployments, and control the release of new functionality. For security reasons, I am only showing selected pages that do not contain credentials, private customer data, server addresses, or other sensitive information. Codex has been central to the development of ATHENAZ. It has helped inspect the modular codebase, implement front-end and backend components, diagnose integration problems, generate tests, review security boundaries, reconcile contracts between modules, and validate software releases. ATHENAZ is currently in active development. The present phase is consolidating its modules under a unified context router and a reusable operation architecture. Our vision is simple. The user should only need to express the objective. ATHENAZ should understand the relevant context, assemble the right capabilities, request approval when a decision matters, and execute safely. This is ATHENAZ Integrated Intelligence.